Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can pick default apps on this device. Start by opening Play Store and installing your new default app. In my case it will be Opera browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to install and select Home button. Now go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on App Management. Then select Default Apps and click on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser App 1, click on Opera Mini to set it up, and go back. As you can see after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!